Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will post data using the Fetch API. If you look at this project, we got a form where we can add the name and the comment. When we click the submit button, it accepts the post request and returns a successful response with the fake ID, but it doesn't actually save the data on the server. It's because this is a fake API provided by JSON placeholder for testing and prototyping purpose. We will be using HTML, CSS and JavaScript to do this project. So it would be good if you understand the basics of them. In terms of JavaScript, it would be better if you have an understanding of JavaScript function, DOM manipulation and Fetch API. If you are not comfortable with them, I suggest you to watch my previous videos on those topics. I have added the link of each playlist below. Before starting the project, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created playlists on my channel. They are organized by topics to help you find what you need easily. Check them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started. Create a project folder and open them in a text editor. I have created a folder called Post Data and I'm using VS Code as my text editor. Here, create three files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. In index.html, type exclamation mark and press the tab key. It will add the basic HTML code. In the title tag, write post data. In the body tag, add a div with a class post data. Inside this div, add s2 tag with the title post data. Save the changes. To check the preview, right click, click Open with Live Server. Then new tab will automatically open and you can see the preview. Now let's include style.css and script.js. So just after the title tag, add the link tag. In href, add style.css. Then just before the end of the body tag, add script tag. In src, add script.js. Let's test them now. So open style.css. In h2, add color red. Check the preview and it works. Then open script.js, add alert hello world. Check the preview and it works too. Let me remove these codes now since we know they are working fine. Finally, let's add Google Font. So in the new tab, search Google Font. Open the first link. You will then see a list of fonts. Choose any one. I will choose Roboto. Click Get Font. Get Embedded Code. Click Add Import since we will be importing them in style.css. Copy this code and paste them in style.css. Then in the body, Add font family Roboto Sans Serif. Check the preview and it works. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on HTML and CSS. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.